Hi, I'm back.
Hi, how was office?
Oh, it was hectic. Have I told you about Rajesh?
Yeah.
You need this huge
Mom and Daddy.
office.
After something. Is it fine if I go for a party tonight?
What time?
It's around 11. It's barely even late.
It's very late and it's not safe to go.
Come on, trust me. I'll be extremely cautious.
Bilal, we trust you. But it's your friends we don't trust. They're not exactly the best influence, you know.
They are good. You barely even know them. How can you be so judgmental so quick?
Don't talk to your parents like that, okay? And you're not going to this party, that's it. End of
Okay,
it.
fine. You can allow me for anything.
Oh, kids these days.
They never allow me for anything. Good. They're sleeping. Hey guys.
Hey Bilal!
What's up, man?
How are you?
Hi, you can just one. Go back to dad's car keys.
Whoa! That's amazing!
Let's go, get a ride.
Let's go.
Hey, Bilal, pass the car keys.
Man, I can't believe my parents allowed me to come for the party.
I can't believe it actually. It was very unexpected.
I know, right?
Yeah, after the scene your dad created, it's really surprising.
My God, that was.
Hey Bilal, you aren't wearing your belt.
Oh,
Hey man, wear your seatbelt fast, man. Next thing you know, the cops are behind us for no reason.
shit, yes. That's
Hey guys, I got an idea. Why don't we record our journey since this is our first time traveling?
Yeah,
That's
pretty
good idea,
exactly.
good idea.
Oh, see, I'm my phone, yeah.
You
Record
just
to
keep
your
the
phone.
camera here.
Okay, it's mine. So excited for this thing.
It's the most
Party.
awaited party of the year. I'm so excited.
I know, right?
Are your friends coming tonight?
Yeah, most of the classmates are coming.
Oh, nice.
Mine only like 2-3 friends of mine are coming.
And Bilal, you?
Yeah, for me, not much. I don't think anyone's coming also. My class.
Yeah, okay, let's forget the party. Are you guys feeling thirsty right now?
Oh man, I'm
hungry.
really thirsty, dude.
I'll stop Bilal, I'll stop
Yeah,
at the
there's
right
grocery
side.
over there. You can
Yeah,
stop
just one
there.
second.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
One chips packet and one Coke for me.
Yeah.
Don't forget Lays. Okay, see ya.
So we'll go for a ride till then?
Yeah, why don't we check out how fast this car can go?
Yeah,
Since
let's
it's
go,
not
let's
even
go.
our car.
Let's go. Man, I hope Bilal doesn't get in trouble for this.
No, I don't think
Yeah,
he
let's-
will.
It's fine.
Dude, the siren. Shit, the cops are behind us.
Wait, I can hear the sirens.
The cops are behind us.
You're right.
Oh god.
Speed up. We shouldn't be caught. We don't even have a driving
Drive
license.
faster.
Are they still behind us?
Yes, this
Oh
will be
God,
behind
oh
us.
God.
Let's hurry. Girik, watch out!
Oh my god.
Girik, what have you done?
Okay, let's get out.
Let's go check it out fast.
God, guys, this is bad.
What should we do now?
Should we call the cops?
Guys, no, we can't call the cops. Let's forget about it for now. Let's go pick Bilal up.
Okay.
That's all we can do
We
now.
have to act really cool in front of him.
Another problem now. We have to find Bilal. Where I leave him, man. Oh, that's the place now.
Yeah. There he is.
Man, what's up?
Some my chips and all, yeah.
Did you bring the lace?
Yeah, I put the lace exactly. What happened? Why you look so scared?
No, man. Everything's fine.
You sure, right?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Ready?
Yeah, let's go. Get front, dude. You might hit someone, man.
No, man. What are you saying?
I'm just kidding, guys. Like,
Okay.
so yeah.
So, Same left and then right from you?
Yeah, see the roundabout's there left, and then right goes straight to the party hall. We're gonna party hard tonight.
Guys, let's hope we have fun today.
I know, right?
Let's just forget the past and let's continue forward.
Exactly.
Yeah, man.
Girik, I need to talk to you about something important. Did you see today's newspaper?
Yeah, I saw today's newspaper, man. It's all Bilal's fault. If he would have just taken a cab, nothing would have happened.
So what do you think? What should we do now?
Look, I have a plan. Let's do this. Let's meet under my building in an hour. We'll call Alicia there and I'll tell you guys the plan.
Okay, sure. Let's meet up then.
You know what this is all about?
This is about yesterday's incident after we had that accident, right? So like Girik had told us to meet us here so that we form a plan so we can evade it.
Hi guys. About yesterday. I had to think a lot about it, but there's just one option we have, and that's the only plan I could come up with. We really have to pin this up all on Bilal, or there's no other way, because he's the reason why we got all into this mess.
What kind of friend are you?
I'm that kind of friend who's going to keep you guys out of jail.
Alicia, I think Girik's right. We should stick to his plan.
Exactly, we have to do that. That's the only option we have.
Because like right now even I'm feeling very scared and I would like to save myself before we do anything further.
Exactly.
What's the plan?
Yes?
Is this Bilal's house?
Yes?
Call him.
Yeah. Bilal, what is this regarding?
Sorry, we can't reveal any information because this is an ongoing investigation.
Bilal, you have to come with us.
Hey! What do you think you're doing?
We have to take him, sir.
But for what?
Just for what you
This
did.
is an ongoing investigation, so you'll have to wait outside the police station for more information.
Okay. Shruti, I'm coming back, okay? Don't worry, it's nothing important. I'll just come back.
Man. So.
I'm Detective Aditya, okay?
So what's it about?
Hold on. Sit. So, I heard you went to this party 2 days back.
Yeah, I don't know taxi, that's it.
Taxi. Was it the taxi or your dad's car?
Yeah, no, it was my dad's car, but still.
And how, really? And who drove it?
It was someone else driving it.
Someone else who?
It was Girik who was driving it.
Girik. You know, I talked to your friend, this Girik, Chirag and Alicia. And you know what they told me? You want to hear that?
Yeah.
You hear that? Here, listen.
This all started when Bilal told that he didn't have the permission, so he was going to sneak out and give us a surprise. When he got there, he showed us his dad's car keys and said, let's take it for a spin. Then we used his car to get to the party. Since it was his car, he did not let any of us drive it. On the way, we were going to the grocery store and we stopped to get it.
All of a sudden, a patrol car showed behind us. Then we were on the way, Bilal got really scared and he started panicking, and that's why he started driving really fast. And all we heard were the sirens. So Bilal took a really quick turn. Then we all looked behind us to see if there were the cops following us. And I think Bilal was doing the same, because all of a sudden Girik screamed out, "Watch out the road!"
And Bilal suddenly jammed the brakes. But I guess it was too late. We could do nothing about it. We hit him quite hard and he went flying. He flew a few feet from the car. We were all very scared as the car came to a driving halt. And we saw Bilal run up to the body, and we found out that there was no pulse. We assumed that he was dead. Then we noticed that
Bilal went and hit the body
behind the bushes.
What? That's not even right. What are they showing me, man?
How dare you leave at a time like this? Especially after we told you not to go.
But Dad,
Just go to your room.
What happened?
child, yeah? My God, the things I've heard. That kid took our car, went and hit somebody.
What?
And despite us not telling him not to last night, he sneaked out of the house.
It's okay, just calm down. Relax. I'll go
God,
talk to
he
him.
might face jail time.
What happened?
I don't even know what happened. I just took dad's car and went for a party. That's all.
Then why did the police arrest you?
I have no idea. They're saying I'm hit and run case. That's not what I did.
Look, if you've done anything, just admit it, no?
If I haven't, then why should I admit it? Just don't talk to me anymore.
Fine. But the solution to solving this problem is to admit it first.
Oh yeah, on that review video, right? Let's check if it came. I hope it did.
Oh my god. Guys, what do we do? Kirik, what did he do? Let's go.
Hey buddy,
Hey dad.
last few days, huh?
Yeah.
Absolutely unimaginable. But you remember? I told you this might happen. You know, everybody says that life throws obstacles so that you learn the art of overcoming it. But nobody actually said anything about the cost of overcoming it. Like, usually, yay, I overcome the challenge, is how everybody takes it, but in this case, you know, friends come and go, but family sticks together.
Yeah.
If you find the right friend with who has the perfect influence on you, they are like family. You know firsthand what bad friends are like. Oh God. You know, I remember when you were only this much. He was so cute. I remember holding your hand as you learned how to walk, and I remember teaching you the words that you talk. You know, I will always be there for you. Just come to me. Just talk. You know, all this could have been avoided if you just listened to me. You remember what I had said in the starting? Look, we love you for everything that you are, and regardless of every mistake you've made. All we ask you is to just listen to what we have to say. We've been your age. We've done all of it already. We've also already, all the parents have already finished screaming at us and our time's over. Now it's yours. So I'm just listen to us once. Whatever we want for you is just so that you do well in your future. All we want is the best for you and nothing less. Look, I love you, okay? And there is nothing I wouldn't do for you if you just came and told me what the problem is. You see, all this happened because I had no idea what was going on.
Yeah, sure.
Look, we will always be there for you. Just all you have to do is ask.